I mean, not really. Hmm.
Asteroid scan complete.
Low temp diamonds seem to have a lot more low strength fucking fishnets. Maybe not, 'cause this one's on low strength.
Not I. I'm almost done.
You're almost done and you're 20 out. Wow, go ahead.
Detonation in 10 seconds.
What the fuck?
Detonation failed.
Wow, I got a,
Detonation failed.
What the fuck was that?
Detonation failed. Detonation sequence initiated.
Oh. I don't even know if I can explain what has happened to me here.
Seismic charge disarmed.
Okay.
Detonation
I
in
guess.
10 seconds.
Try this again. Detonation coming up. What the
Detonation failed.
Yep. So that was a failure. Bad things just happened there. We've got one. Yeah, there's one out here. Somebody can get it. You know what?
Cargo scope deployed.
There isn't even one.
Nope.
Okay. Well, I'm out of limits.
I suppose we're done then.